Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this expression. We solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one parenthesis, and here multiplication, and inside of the parenthesis we have one subtraction. So first, according to the rule, first we solve parenthesis. Now we have one parenthesis here, so the equation become 48 divided by 8, and here multiplication, and inside of the parenthesis 10 minus 4 they give us 6. Now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division, so first we solve division, then we solve multiplication. So equation become 48 divided by 8, they give us 6, and multiply by 6, and 6 times 6 they give us 36. So the final answer is 36.